Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to change the background color in Klaviyo's email builder. This is a simple yet powerful way to customize your email campaigns and ensure they align perfectly with your brand's visual identity. If you want to streamline your workflow and save money on subscriptions, check out the link in my description. To get started, head over to klaviyo.com in your browser and log into your account using your credentials. Make sure you're using the account that has access to the campaigns you want to edit. Once you're logged in, you'll land on the Klaviyo dashboard, which serves as your central hub for managing all your email marketing activities. Now look to the left side of your screen where you'll find the main navigation menu. From here, click on Campaign. This section houses all your email campaigns, whether they're drafts, scheduled, or already sent. Clicking on Campaign takes you to a list view where you can browse through everything you've created. Next, you'll want to select the specific campaign or email where you'd like to change the background color. Simply click on the campaign from the list to open it up. This will bring you into the campaign's overview page where you can see details like performance metrics and settings. After opening your chosen campaign, click Next. This action moves you forward in the workflow and brings you closer to the editing interface. It's a transitional step that prepares the campaign for modification. Now you're ready to dive into the actual design work. Click Edit to enter the email builder. The email builder is Klaviyo's visual editor where you can customize every aspect of your email's appearance, from text and images to colors and layout. This is where the magic happens. Once you're inside the email builder, direct your attention to the left side of the screen again. Here you'll see several tabs for different customization options. Click on Styles to open the Style tab. The Styles tab is specifically designed for managing the overall look and feel of your email, including fonts, colors, and spacing. Within the Styles tab, you'll notice an option labeled Template Background. This controls the overall background color of your entire email template. Just below Template Background, you'll see a color picker. Click on the color picker and choose the color you want from the palette. You can either select a preset color or enter a specific hex code if you have exact brand colors you need to match. And that's it. Your email background color is now updated to reflect your choice. This small change can make a big difference in how your emails are perceived and how well they represent your brand. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.